Cash coding in Xero can transform how you manage your business transactions, and today I'm going to break it down quickly so you can get started and save time on your accounting. If you're new to Xero, this feature can help you speed up the process of matching bank transactions to your accounts. Stay tuned because I'll walk you through exactly how to use cash coding, and by the end, you'll be using it like a pro. First off, cash coding is a feature in Xero that allows you to quickly match bank statement lines with your transactions. If you're dealing with a lot of bank transactions, this tool is a real time saver. With cash coding, you're essentially simplifying your reconciliation process. To get started, head over to your Xero dashboard and open your bank account. You'll notice a bank statement screen where you can see all your unreconciled transactions. From here, you'll want to click on cash coding. This will open up a grid where you can easily match transactions, apply tax rates, and assign categories in bulk. You'll see a list of your bank statement lines and corresponding transaction fields where you can choose what category or account to allocate those transactions to. Now, the real beauty of cash coding is its speed. Instead of manually entering each transaction, you can bulk categorize them. This is especially useful for recurring payments or transactions that are always going to the same account. For example, a regular subscription or a utility bill. Select the transaction, choose the appropriate category, apply the tax rate, and boom, it's done. But here's something that will really save you even more time. Xero allows you to set up rules for these transactions. So, if you always categorize a certain vendor or payment in the same way, Xero will automatically apply that rule for you in future bank reconciliations. This automation minimizes manual work and ensures accuracy. You can also use the Find and Recode feature in cash coding, which allows you to search for specific transactions across your whole system and reassign categories or accounts if needed. This is helpful if you realize you categorize something incorrectly or if you want to make bulk adjustments. One of the best parts about cash coding is how it integrates seamlessly with your bank feeds. Once your bank feeds are set up, Xero will automatically import your bank transactions, so you don't have to worry about entering them manually. And with cash coding, those transactions are automatically matched to the right categories, streamlining your workflow. Before wrapping up, let me remind you that you can try Xero completely free from the first link below. We've partnered with Xero to offer an exclusive extended free trial, so if you're new to the software, this is a great chance to give it a try and see how cash coding can benefit you directly. In summary, cash coding in Xero is a powerful feature that saves you time by automating your bank reconciliation process. By categorizing and matching transactions quickly, it helps you stay organized and ensures your accounts are accurate. And with the ability to set up rules and use Find and Recode, you can make the process even more efficient. Remember, the exclusive free trial link is below. Try it out and see how much easier your accounting can be.